What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I have an easy DIY, sorry, a do-yourself for you guys. It's really easy, relatively easy. Now I really don't do DIYs. I'm getting confused, but this is something simple, and I've done it before, and I just decided why not just do it again. Now recently my right signal just it just went out, and I know a lot of you guys know about this BMW jokes. Oh, you don't need it, you driving a BMW, y'all don't use turn signals. Well, some of us still do. I do, because I like my car and I don't want nobody hitting it, so that's why I let you know I'm getting over it. But this is a relatively really easy DIY. I don't know why I keep messing it up. A DIY to do, and I already had an extra bulb in my trunk, so thank God I had that in handy, so I wouldn't have to go buy one. But so I can show them what to do. So now what you're gonna need is which one is this? I forgot what socket. I think it says it up here. A 2x4, basically. That's what it is. 2x4. That's what you're gonna need to unscrew this. Now what you go in here, and there's like a screw that I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you know, I already loosened it up a little bit to save some time. So always remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So go all the way to the left until it gets loosened up to the point you can just pull this out, and it's gotten to that point. So put this down here, and you just come here and just bring it out right here, and this is the housing. Now I forgot to tell you that this, as long as this is yellow, you don't need a yellow bulb, because like this housing is yellow, so it'll be yellow regardless when you use it. So here you come over here, turn it to the left, and it comes out. Make sure this doesn't fall out, because this came out last time when I was checking it. Put that to the side. Alright, now with this, push in, and you turn to the left, and it should come out really easy. I'm not trying to break anything. There we go, see? My old bulb. Here, take this. Actually, no, give me that. I'm gonna put that over. This is the new one. Do the same thing, but you go to the right. So, come in here, push to the right. Make sure it stays in there. Get the housing. And see, this is what I'm talking about. See? Gotta make sure that don't come off if yours is loose. I don't know, but put that in there. See? Turn it to the right. Sorry. And then the process is pretty much the same when you're putting it back in place. Just make sure that doesn't come out. There we go. Should be in it. Nope, it's not. There. Why is it? Hold up. It's weird. I'm just trying to. There we go. Now it's in place. Alright, now get your screwdriver, your 2x4. Screw it to the right. All the way. So you can tighten it tight enough where it ain't gonna get loose. This is my first DIY video, and why not do something really easy? So I mean, it makes sense. But I honestly don't do DIYs because I have a mechanic that works on my car, and he charged me really cheap. So, but I mean, I will do like simple DIYs, like stuff like this. I mean, cause it's easy to fix. Alright. Let me go test it out. I'm gonna walk around with it. Now it's working. The car was still on, so I just turned on the hazard, so I replaced it. It's working. That little thing on my dashboard about the icon being on my signal light is out, is gone now. And that's the DIY, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little quick video. for more videos in the future, please make sure to subscribe, and if you like the content that you've seen, like or even comment. So until the next time, see you guys later. Peace.